Welcome to Nutrahara. Let us give you a quick overview of our company and our natural dietary supplements. We will also look into our product formulation, manufacturing facility, quality compliance standards, and product distribution processes. At Nutrahara, our team combines over 4 decades of expertise in the art of crafting, producing, and promoting nutritional supplements. With operational hubs in the United States, Hong Kong, and India, our global presence is unmistakable. Our dedication lies in creating supplements enriched with botanical extracts, with a special focus on plants cherished for their wisdom in Ayurvedic tradition. We specialize in curating functional supplements that offer anti-inflammatory, antioxidative, and anti-stress benefits, all aimed at enhancing the holistic well-being of our customers. Formulation. Our mission is to create powerful formulations that boost overall health by harmoniously blending Ayurvedic herbs and plant-based nutrition. We strive to maximize the potential of herbs and nutrition, furthering the cause of holistic well-being. Manufacturing. Our products are meticulously crafted under the highest standards and stringent hygienic conditions in a state-of-the-art facility adhering to good manufacturing practice. Our FDA-registered facility adds an extra layer of trust and quality. We take pride in exclusively producing our products in the United States using recyclable bottles. Quality compliance. Our unwavering commitment to excellence is underscored by our rigorous practice of subjecting our products to third-party lab testing for purity and potency. This steadfast dedication enables us to consistently attain and uphold the utmost standards of quality and safety, surpassing industry benchmarks. Distribution. Our nutritional and herbal supplements are distributed worldwide by air, sea, and road logistics. For our valued United States customers, orders are promptly fulfilled from our dedicated warehouse in Georgia. In summary, we offer extensive experience in crafting nutritional supplements. We focus on creating plant-based functional supplements for holistic well-being. Our products are manufactured in the United States in FDA-registered facility that also adheres to good manufacturing practice for highest quality standards. Start your health journey with Nutrahara. Disclaimer: these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.